Here is everything you need to know about the new Cycle app for Apple Watch and iPhone. Hi everyone, it's Amber with AppleInsider. Cycle is a new app coming to the Apple Watch and iPhone as part of watchOS 6 and iOS 13. Let's take a closer look at the health app on the iPhone. Apple's implementation of Cycle has a minimalist theme like the rest of health's metrics. It makes no assumptions about why someone would be tracking their cycle, nor is it something that's terribly apparent if you need to glance at it in public. It's also incredibly easy to understand Cycle from the second you start using it. It uses straightforward, plain language to avoid any confusion about what might be going on. In fact, there's currently an article within Cycle called Understanding Your Menstrual Cycle, which gives a brief rundown of any questions a user might have about their body. Perfect for younger users who might still be getting used to their routine. And there's lots to track in Cycle as well, such as breast tenderness, headaches, and acne. If you're someone who experiences a lot of symptoms during PMS, your period, or ovulation, you can track them through Cycle. This is especially convenient for those who may experience pain or have period-related complications from other health conditions, and allows users to prepare in advance. Users can also opt into Cycle's 2 push notifications. The first reminder notification tells users to make sure that they keep their log updated. The second is a reminder that happens the evening before a user's period is set to begin. Cycle can also help users estimate when they're ovulating, giving users a greater chance at successfully becoming pregnant. If a user has previously used a period tracking app that wrote data to Apple's Health, such as Clue or Glow, Cycle will be able to pull that data into itself. This means that Cycle will already have enough information to accurately predict any reasonably regular user's cycle. Overall, we're very impressed with Cycle and the thought that Apple has put into it, and we anticipate that it will become many people's primary tracker. We'll be looking at Cycle more, including Apple Watch integration, as the beta continues. Stay tuned to AppleInsider for more coverage of Apple's latest updates, and let us know down below your thoughts on cycle tracking coming to iPhone and Apple Watch.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.